Okay, in the last problem we were looking at finding the dollar amount per watt for these solar cells in 2 different years. And we found out in 2015 they'd be about $2.26, and in 2018 they'd be about $1.55. Now in letter C they want us to find in what year will the cost be $1,000. In what year? So what T will there be the result $1? So as we look at our exponential decay function, A of t equals P times e to the kt. This time we know A of t. We know it's $1. That's what we want it to be, $1. When will it be $1? We still have the same P, which was $4.85 to start with. E is a number, and K, we're still using this same decay rate, negative 0.127, but we don't know T, so I'm going to put a T right there. That's the unknown. So we got to solve for T, but we can't do that until we get the exponential part of this equation alone. We get it alone by dividing both sides by $4.85. Because it's multiplied by E, we undo by dividing. What I do to one side of my equation, I do to both sides. So now I pick up my calculator and do $1 divided by $4.85, 485, and I get about 0.206, 0.206 equals e to the negative 27t. Okay, so copy down everything else. Don't forget your negative sign there, that's huge. Alright, let's see, what do we do next? We have to undo this e so we can get the t and its coefficient freed up. So how do we do that? Well, remember, ln eats e. So I'm going to take the ln of both sides. What I do to one side, of course, I have to do to the other side. And on this side, ln eats e, and negative 0.127 comes crashing to the ground. On the other side, we literally take our calculator and do the ln of 0.206. So ln key 0.206, close your parentheses, and I get about negative 1.58. Let's go 1.5, yeah, 1.58. 1.58. I'm almost done now. I need to divide both sides by negative 0.127 to get t alone. Still have that last value, that negative 1.58 in my calculator, so I'm going to go divide by negative 0.127, and I get about 12.4. So t equals, and it's positive of course, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. And this is the years after 2009. Okay, because remember, that's what our T stood for, the years since 2009. So if I add 12.4 to 2009, 12.4 added to 2009, I get about, what, 2021? A little after 2021. That's the year in which those solar cells will cost $1 per watt.